Parliamentary Affairs Minister Pavan Kumar Bansal also ahead of the parliamentary proceedings defended the Prime Minister, saying that there was nothing inaccurate in what the Prime Minister had said.
Just one question. Sir, the government has, the BJP has been saying that it would probably bring in a privilege motion. So how would the government?
It's totally a misplaced thing. No privilege motion lies on this. There's not even an iota of inaccuracy in the Prime Minister's statement. If you read the entire report of the committee, there is nothing wrong in it, and they are unnecessarily trying to only mislead the people.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Navika still with us live from Vijay Chowk. Navika, we heard what Pavan Kumar Bansal had to say, saying that there was nothing inaccurate about the Prime Minister's statement in the Lok Sabha. So the question really being, how is the Congress going to strategize on this latest attack by the opposition in the Parliament?
Well, it's very clear the Congress's attack extremely strategized, and the Prime Minister has already made two statements on this issue. One, of course, was outside Parliament, but he's also made a statement in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. It is on the issue of the statement that the BJP is rather smarting, because they were not allowed to ask for clarifications or counter questions to the Prime Minister, even in Rajya Sabha, using a 1987 rule that had been applied on the BJP on Friday. And that's something that the BJP is really smarting over at this point in time. Pavan Kumar Bansal extremely clear that there's nothing in the Prime Minister's statement that is inaccurate, and that's going to be the stand of the Congress party. The Prime Minister already having made it clear that he had not authorized anybody to purchase votes in the trust vote of 2008, and that's going to be the last word as far as the Prime Minister is concerned. The BJP, on the other hand, wants to really raise this entire issue, because they know that at the moment the budget and the finance bill still needs to be passed in Houses of Parliament, and this is their time to really push across a point, and that's exactly what the BJP is trying. The Congress, very clear, there is no point of privilege, and they will wait for the verdict of the Speaker and the Chairman of Rajya Sabha on whether or not this privilege motion is admitted at all or not in both Houses of Parliament.